let's write a function in Python. So here we are going to write a function. So in Python you have to start with def keyword. This is defining a function, and take a function name. The starting will be in lowercase sum. Okay, and after that you have to give double colon. Okay, now what to do? Input, enter number, input enter number, copy it, and then enter number once again, enter any number, not the same, enter any number once again. Okay, and then you have to find sum equal to and you have to store it in a variable, say number 1. Here also you have to store it in another variable, say number 2. So by default, if you will enter any number, that will be stored as a string in Python. So just you convert it to integer by type conversion, integer. So whatever will come, this will be giving an string and it will be converted to integer. Similarly, you can convert this also to integer. So number 1 and number 2 is now integer. Now sum equal to number 1 and plus number 2. Number 1 plus number 2 will come in sum, and then return sum. So this is function. Now here see, give cap, okay, and then write, call the function sum. So I am calling function sum. Then run this program. Enter number, suppose I enter 10. Enter any number once again, suppose 20. Then it is coming, output is not coming. Return sum. So return statement. Here see, return statement, expression list. Okay, now you what to do? You return 0. Okay, and once again enter number 10, enter number 10, enter another number 20. Then program is executing successfully, it is not crashing, but we have to print the logic. Here what to do? Print, and in print what to print? Sum. Now if you call this function, then sum will be printed. Enter number, suppose 10, not there. I am just making it little up such that we can see the program. Okay, entire function. Enter number 1, 10. Enter any number once again, 20. Then enter, now it will come 30. So this is how we write function in Python. Def is the keyword, definition, and then this is sum is the function name, parenthesis followed by this colon. This will give a string that is converted to integer and it is stored in number 1 variable. Similarly, this will give a string and it has been converted into integer and it has been stored in number 2. And now sum equal to number 1 plus number 2, and now print sum. If you will call function, so this program will start executing from line number 6. Sum will be called, then it will enter to the body of the function, and here you can see indentation means all these are inside the function, all these are inside the function. Once again, if you run, suppose enter 2, not there, put your cursor here, enter 2, then enter 3, now you will find 5. Okay, if you want to change something, you can say here sum of given numbers is, okay, and plus 5. So here you will write, put cursor here 3, another number, suppose 7. Now you will find error. What is error? Sum of given number is plus sum. So sum of given number is plus sum, it is not taking, okay, like unlike another programming, it is not taking like that. So we will be formatting this string. Here you just write F, formatting string is, and remove this plus, give curly braces, and put this sum in curly braces. Okay, and now give this. So this is how, suppose you will write 3, then write 7. Now it will come sum of given number is 10. So this you can, in JavaScript you can do by backtick and here F in starting, and then put everything in single and put variable in middle bracket or curly braces. So this variable will be printing directly here. So hope this will help to understand the